We'll be sharing valuable tips for budgeting, saving, and investing that will empower you to take control of your finances and support your personal growth journey. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you're new to the channel or haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss out on any of our future content. And if you find today's video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from our community and learning about your personal experiences. Now, let's jump into the world of financial well-being and discover how mastering your money can truly transform your life. Budgeting is the foundation of managing your personal finances, and it's all about understanding where your money is coming from and where it's going. It helps you make informed decisions about your spending, saving, and investing to achieve your financial goals. So, what are the key principles of budgeting? Let's break them down. Track your income. This includes your salary, any side hustles, and passive income sources. Knowing your total income will help you make realistic plans for your expenses and savings. Track your expenses. Keep a record of all your expenses, from essentials like rent and groceries to discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Categorize your spending. Organize your expenses into categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. This will help you identify areas where you can potentially cut back to save money. Set financial goals. Determine your short-term and long-term financial objectives, such as paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a vacation. This will give you a sense of purpose and motivation to stick to your budget. Now that you understand the basics of budgeting, it's time to create a budget tailored to your unique financial situation and goals. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Calculate your monthly income. Add up all your sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, and any passive income streams. Make sure to use your net income, which is the amount you take home after taxes and deductions. List your monthly expenses. Write down all your fixed and variable expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, and discretionary spending. Don't forget to include periodic expenses, like annual memberships or car maintenance, by dividing the annual cost by 12 to get a monthly amount. Categorize your expenses. Group your expenses into categories, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. This will make it easier to analyze your spending and identify areas where you can save money. Allocate funds to each category. Based on your income and expenses, decide how much money you'll allocate to each category. Be realistic and make sure your total expenses don't exceed your total income. Set specific financial goals. Determine the short-term and long-term goals you want to achieve with your budget, such as paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a down payment on a house. Monitor and adjust your budget. Regularly review your budget to ensure you're staying on track with your spending and saving goals. Make adjustments as needed, such as cutting back on discretionary spending or finding ways to increase your income. Remember, creating a budget is just the first step. The key to financial success is sticking to your budget and making adjustments as your financial situation and goals change. With a clear understanding of your income and expenses, you can start looking for ways to cut costs and save more money each month. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. Eliminate or reduce non-essential expenses. Review your discretionary spending and identify areas where you can cut back, such as eating out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding more affordable entertainment options. Shop smarter. Look for sales, use coupons, and compare prices before making purchases. Consider buying in bulk or shopping at discount stores to save on everyday items. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account each month. This will help you prioritize saving and make it a consistent habit. Save on utilities. Reduce your energy and water consumption by turning off lights when not in use, using energy-efficient appliances, and fixing any leaks in your home. Cook at home and meal prep. Cooking at home and preparing meals in advance can save you a significant amount of money compared to dining out or ordering takeout. Plus, it's often healthier too. Review your insurance policies. Regularly review your insurance policies and shop around for better rates. Make sure you're not overpaying for coverage you don't need or can find at a lower price. Avoid impulse purchases. Before making a purchase, take some time to consider if you really need the item and if it fits within your budget. This will help you avoid unnecessary spending and stick to your savings goals. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to increasing your savings and achieving your financial goals. An emergency fund is a crucial component of your financial well-being. It's a safety net that helps you cover unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss, without having to rely on credit cards or loans. Here's how to build an emergency fund effectively. Determine your target amount. Financial experts recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Evaluate your financial situation and decide on a target amount that makes you feel comfortable and secure. Set a monthly savings goal. Break down your target amount into manageable monthly savings goals. This will make it easier to stay on track and monitor your progress. Open a dedicated savings account. Keep your emergency fund separate from your regular savings or checking account. This will prevent you from accidentally spending the money on non-emergency expenses. Automate your contributions. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund account each month. This ensures you consistently contribute to your fund without having to remember to do so manually. Make adjustments as needed. As your financial situation and expenses change, reevaluate your emergency fund target and adjust your monthly savings goals accordingly. Replenish the fund. If you use your emergency fund to cover an unexpected expense, make it a priority to replenish the fund as soon as possible to maintain your financial security. Building an emergency fund may take time, but it's an essential step toward financial stability and peace of mind. Your ability to manage debt and maintain a healthy credit score plays a significant role in your overall financial well-being. Let's discuss how to handle debt responsibly and improve your credit. Know your debt. Make a list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and lines of credit. Note the interest rates, minimum payments, and balances for each debt. Prioritize your debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first to save on interest payments. This is commonly known as the avalanche method. Alternatively, you can use the snowball method, which involves paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation. Create a debt repayment plan. Based on your budget and financial goals, develop a plan to pay off your debts. Allocate extra funds towards debt repayment and consider consolidating or refinancing high-interest debts to save on interest. Make timely payments. Pay your bills on time to avoid late fees, maintain a good credit score, and show lenders that you're a responsible borrower. Monitor your credit score. Regularly check your credit score and report to ensure accuracy and track your progress. Identify areas for improvement, such as lowering your credit utilization or disputing errors on your report. Build good credit habits. To maintain or improve your credit score, use credit responsibly by keeping your credit utilization low, paying your bills on time, and not applying for new credit too frequently. Managing debt and maintaining a healthy credit score are essential for achieving long-term financial well-being and personal growth. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. By putting your money to work in various investment vehicles, you can potentially earn returns that outpace inflation and help secure your financial future. Let's go over some basics of investing. Diversification. Spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions can help reduce risk and improve your overall investment performance. Risk tolerance. Understand your own risk tolerance, which is your ability and willingness to withstand fluctuations in the value of your investments. This will help you make appropriate investment decisions based on your financial goals and time horizon. Time horizon. Consider your investment time horizon, which is the length of time you plan to keep your money invested before needing to access it. Generally, a longer time horizon allows for more aggressive investment strategies, while a shorter time horizon requires more conservative approaches. Active versus passive investing. Active investing involves selecting individual investments or working with a professional manager to try to outperform the market. Passive investing, on the other hand, involves investing in broad market indexes or funds that track those indexes, with the goal of achieving market returns. Costs and fees. Be aware of the fees and expenses associated with different investment options, as they can significantly impact your returns over time. Look for low-cost investment vehicles like index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to minimize costs. There are numerous investment vehicles available, each with its own set of potential benefits and risks. It's crucial to understand these options to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Here's an overview of some common investment choices. Stocks, also known as equities or shares. Stocks represent ownership in a company. As a shareholder, you may benefit from the company's growth through capital appreciation and dividends. However, stock prices can be volatile, and there's a risk of losing your initial investment if the company underperforms. Bonds. Bonds are debt securities issued by governments or corporations to raise capital. As a bondholder, you receive regular interest payments and the return of your principal at the bond's maturity. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks but offer lower potential returns. Mutual funds, these are professionally managed investment funds that pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Mutual funds provide instant diversification and professional management but may come with higher fees compared to other investment options. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are similar to mutual funds but trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They typically track an index or specific market segment, offering diversification and lower fees than actively managed mutual funds. Real estate. Investing in real estate involves purchasing properties, such as residential or commercial buildings, with the expectation of generating rental income or benefiting from capital appreciation. Real estate can provide diversification and potential tax advantages but may require significant upfront capital and ongoing maintenance. Retirement accounts. Contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA can offer tax advantages and help you save for retirement. These accounts typically provide a range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Robo-advisors, these are automated investment platforms that use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Robo-advisors provide a low-cost, hands-off approach to investing. As you explore these investment options, remember that diversification and a long-term perspective are essential for managing risk and achieving your financial objectives. Planning for retirement is an essential part of achieving financial well-being and personal growth. By starting early and making informed decisions, you can ensure a comfortable and secure retirement. Let's discuss some key aspects of retirement planning. Determine your retirement goals. Consider the lifestyle you want in retirement, including where you want to live, your hobbies and interests, and any travel plans. This will help you estimate your retirement expenses and establish a savings target. Estimate your retirement income. Calculate your expected retirement income from sources like Social Security, pensions, and retirement accounts. This will help you determine how much additional savings you need to meet your retirement goals. Take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA to benefit from tax advantages and grow your retirement savings. Invest for growth. Invest your retirement savings in a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Focus on long-term growth to help your savings outpace inflation and maintain your purchasing power. Monitor your progress. Regularly review your retirement plan and adjust your savings and investment strategies as needed. As you approach retirement, consider shifting to more conservative investments to protect your savings. Plan for healthcare expenses. Healthcare costs can be a significant expense in retirement. Consider options like Medicare, long-term care insurance, or a health savings account, HSA, to help cover these costs. Create a withdrawal strategy. Develop a plan for withdrawing your retirement savings in a tax-efficient and sustainable manner. Consider strategies like the 4% rule or working with a financial planner to develop a personalized withdrawal plan. By starting early and regularly reviewing your retirement plan, you'll be better prepared to enjoy a secure and comfortable retirement. Achieving financial well-being is a lifelong journey, and personal growth plays a crucial role in this process. By continuously learning and adapting, you can stay on top of changing financial trends and make informed decisions that support your long-term goals. Here are some ways to foster continuous learning and personal growth. Stay informed. Regularly read books, articles, and blogs on personal finance, investing, and self-development. This will help you stay current on industry trends and discover new strategies for managing your finances. Attend workshops and seminars. Participate in financial workshops, seminars, or webinars to expand your knowledge and learn from industry experts. Connect with others. Join online forums, social media groups, or local meetups to connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for personal growth and financial well-being. Engaging with others can provide valuable insights and support. Seek professional advice. Work with a financial planner or advisor to develop a personalized financial plan and get expert guidance on achieving your financial goals. Reflect on your progress. Periodically review your financial journey, celebrate your successes, and learn from your mistakes. Use these insights to refine your strategies and set new goals for the future. Embrace change. Be open to adapting your financial plan and strategies as your life circumstances, goals, and the economic landscape change. Remember, financial well-being and personal growth go hand in hand. By embracing continuous learning and adapting to new challenges, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy a fulfilling life journey.